Good morning. My name is Dr. Ono Eke, and I am here in the faculty at Sacred Heart University in the Theology and Religious Studies Department, and I'd like to welcome you to TRS 265, which is Introduction to World Religions. Now, in this course, my goal is to familiarize you with some of the world's great religions. Typically, people think of religious traditions in broadly geographical terms, so we speak of Eastern and Western religions. What this refers to are the geographical birthplaces and crucibles of certain religious traditions, which affect the ways in which these religious traditions developed. So, in this course, we'll focus on 5 religions: 2 Eastern religions, Hinduism and Buddhism. And for Western religions, we'll look at Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. Now, there are many more religions. So, for instance, in the East, you have religions like Confucianism, you have Taoism, you have Shintoism, and you have Sikhism. So you could also multiply that list. There are more significant religions in the East. Typically, we don't include new religious movements in this classification, nor do we include indigenous religions such as Native American religions, African indigenous religions, Aboriginal religions. Aboriginal, I mean by the native Aboriginal religions of Australia. And that's because these religions are not global in scope, either geographically or culturally. Now, as a Catholic university, we will spend a little more time on Christianity to give a sense of the tradition to which Sacred Heart University belongs. These surveys are going to be cursory at best. They're very limited. You could spend years studying each of these religions. So what I hope is that you at least get a flavor of the religion. But also I hope you realize that there's much more depth and richness to each of these religions. Now, one aspect of religious studies that this course will not address is the theory and sociology of religion. So if I could just move this here. So we do have a course on the books. It's TRS 266. And this course investigates the theory and sociology of religion. It discusses how religion is a universal phenomenon. Everywhere you find human beings, there is religion. And so scholars have investigated the nature of religion, how it arises, and to what extent religions are similar or different, how to classify them, how they evolve, what's the best way to study a religion. So while this course that we are currently doing will not address this aspect of religious studies, I'd just like you to know it's out there, and it's a whole other world of investigation, very interesting. So if you're interested in just the nature of religion, why they're religions, what are religions about, are they all the same, are they similar, are they very different, could you have one big super religion or not, why religions so different, why they're motivated by the different things that they're motivated by, just all these broad questions. That would be the course you'd want to take as a follow-up to this one. Okay, so our course will first deal with Hinduism, Buddhism, and then we'll move to Judaism, Christianity, Islam, and then Christianity, and wrap up there.